Assalamualaikum guys, we continue with the next step of designing the gas lift. Last time we already reached the mixing of the gas lift from the PSO to and then we reduce it to 100 psi, and this is the mixing one. What it means that in that point it is in the middle of this operating valve, is around here. So that's the this one, I'm sorry, this one is I should put a picture the other way around. It should be something like this, and then something like this, and something like this. So this one is invert gas lift. So I pick up the wrong graph. Okay, it should be this way. So this is the mix between the annulus and the annulus, the gas and the oil and the liquid in the middle. So this one is goes up, and this one is gas. This one is a liquid. So this is wrong one. I picked up. I'm sorry. I picked up the wrong picture. So from this one, we have a 100 psi. This is wellhead. So the wellhead, we have 100 psi here. So the mixture between this one and this one is the, so we draw a line here. This line actually a mixture of so this line is a mixture of reservoir fluid and the gas lift. This one is in the tubing. So this one is in annulus, this one is from the reservoir, and this one to tubing. So this is a mixture between the two of them. And this is the line that we want. So if we want to see what is the GOR of this one, we go back to this curve. Okay, so in this line we have 100 psi, means around on the top. Okay, we have 100 psi, so this is 200. This is another psia, and psig is around 85, is around something like this. So if we cross this one, 40, 80, so 85 is close to this one. So if we took a one, so on this traverse, pressure traverse, we end up with having around 700 psi. So we have a wellhead pressure of 100 psi is on the pressure traverse is around 700 feet. This is 700 feet. Okay, 700 feet. And we go back to this one. What is the depth of this one? The depth of this one is around 200, 400, 600, 500, 5,000, 5,500, 600, 5,550. Let's say this one is 5,550. Okay, 5,550. So 5,550, if we have a 5,550, 50 feet, and the pressure is around, let's see, is around 900 psi. Is around 900 psi. So it goes down 700 plus. What I'm trying to do is looking for the GLR of this mixture fluid. Okay. So this one is 0.5 to 6,250. 6,250. This one 250 somewhere. I'm sorry. 6,250. 6,250 somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. 250. Okay, this is 30 with the pressure of 900 psi. See, 900 psi is PSIG around. This is 40. 15 is one below that one. So this is around this one. So this is the mixture fluid. What we have here, you can see here, the GLR is more than 1500. Assuming that the GLR is 1500, GLR of lifting fluid is around 1500. Okay, so we'll be able to know what is the injection of the injection of the gas from here in order to making up this one. So this one is 1,000 barrel oil per day, remember that, and this one we are looking for that one. So initially we have 100 standard cubic feet per day. Okay, means that this one is 14. Means that this one is additional to become 1500. So the additional is equal to 14 SCF per BBL. The 14 SCF per BBL is 1500, 5500